Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be finally doing a swatch video of the new Berries mini palette by Juvia's Place. This palette is stunning. I've seen some looks with these and they look stunning, so I am very excited. I also like that there are 4 mattes and 2 metallics. I prefer matte shades, so I'm very excited and I hope these mattes will be good. So if you want to see swatches, just keep watching. Okay, so now that you've seen the swatches, let's talk about them. This palette honestly swatched pretty well. Of course, the metallic shades are amazing. That pink matte was very good. So was this light peachy matte. This more reddish matte definitely needs to be built up swatch-wise. And this brown is a little patchy, but it's not as bad as any of the darker colors in the purple mini palette. Some of the shades do stain, so keep that in mind. I honestly think this palette is just stunning, and I'm really excited to use it on my eyes. There's not really much I can say since it is such a mini palette, but I do definitely think it's worth the money. It's not expensive at all, and you get full-size shadows as well, I believe, so I really, really like this, and I'm very excited. My favorite shade is actually this, like, red with, like, different flecks in it. It's really pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below, comment any videos you'd like to see me do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I wasn't lying when I say that every time I do swatches, a cat comes along. All the time, especially her. She doesn't have her collar on right now because she got it off. Effie Buffy, what are you doing? I love these cats. Yes, that's makeup. Hi. What you doing? Are you a brat? Also, don't worry about her eye being drippy. When she was a kitten, she had a upper respiratory infection, and so that basically made it so she always has a drippy eye. It doesn't hurt her or do anything to her. She just has a drippy eye that she needs to clean.